Okay, so the first topic is about speculations about the present. Well, first of all, we're going to try to look at one situation. And if you pay attention in this picture, we don't really know what's happening, what is the situation, who are the people. So the first thing that we need to do is to try to consider which of these ideas or speculations are possible ideas or which ones are true or which ones are false. So what you need to think is think about these questions. What do you think this is probably happening now? What they are doing, what is going on. The second aspect that you need to consider is to identify who are the people, who are they, what is the connection, what could be their relationship. Also, it's important to identify where are they, what is the place. Finally, why do you think they are there? So we don't really know because we don't know what's the situation. So that is the principal objective. Identify how can we describe speculations and deductions. So this is a possible explanation. So remember, you have to remember where, what, who, and also why. So for example, in this case, well, this is one of my ideas. Well, I think they could be in a kind of hospital. I am not sure because the place looks like a garage, so I am not sure about this. The man might be a soldier because he's wearing a uniform, but I am not sure because he has some special equipment, some medical equipment, so maybe he's has a different profession. But what I can tell you is that he must be a doctor or a nurse because you can see his equipment. Another speculation or deduction is that, well, if you pay attention to the woman looks relaxed, but she could be sick. We don't really know. At the moment, I think that she might be feeling bad, but we don't really know that. And the man must be checking her temperature because if you pay attention, he has an special electronic device or medical device on his hands. And finally, I am sure that the woman can't be a soldier because she's wearing common clothes. So if you pay attention here, guys, the principal point is to, well, remember what kind of words we can use in this situation. For example, must or must be, an ing. We can use it when we think that something is true or real. So you are really sure about this because you have an evidence. On the contrary, for example, could, might, and may plus the verb in ing or a normal verb is indicating that something is probable, but we are not sure about this. It could be true, but we are not sure, or it could be false, but also we are not sure. And finally, we have can't plus the verb or can't be and the verb in ing, and we can use these words to describe that something is impossible because obviously there is an evidence. So if we go back to the previous examples, you can see that the first one, in the first example, I was using the expression could be because I am not sure about this. It's a probability, but I am not sure. In the second example, also I am using might be because I am not sure of the situation. In the third example, I am using must because obviously it's evident that the person is a doctor or a nurse. In the next example, I was using could be. There is a possibility that the woman is sick. And then I wrote another example with she might be feeling bad. This is something that is happening, but I am not very sure. And the second example, I wrote the man must be checking her temperature. Obviously, this is true because you can see the equipment. And the last example, I am saying that she can't be a soldier because, well, it's evident that she doesn't have the right equipment. So basically here, guys, what you need to remember is what is the correct use to make deductions.